paying for OnlyFans using the PayPal is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay for OnlyFans using the PayPal. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at my Google and I'm just going to search for OnlyFans and I'll go to their page, which should be onlyfans.com. Now in the onlyfans.com, as you guys can see, you simply won't be able to, buy the OnlyFans using your PayPal. However, you can buy the, OnlyFans prepaid card, which you can put right there and which you can buy, the prepaid cards you can buy for from PayPal. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google and I'm just going to search for OnlyFans and I'm going to type in prepaid cards. And afterwards, as you guys can see, these websites gives you, a prepaid card. So if I go to this website and I will just simply add this card into my, card. I've already added it. I'll go to my card. In the card, I will click on this checkout section. I can simply pay using the PayPal. Obviously, it costs a fee of £1. You have to pay for that in order to buy these gift cards. These gift cards can be used to put it on the OnlyFans. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.